What's up? It's Stylaholic. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this long-lasting kissable lipstick. Before you do anything, exfoliate and moisturize. Let's get into it. First, you want to start with a lip liner similar to the shade of lipstick you'll be wearing. This will create a barrier to prevent the lipstick from bleeding or feathering. So once you've lined your lips, next it's important to choose a long-lasting lipstick color. And you start by applying it to the center of your lips and then blend out towards the edges using the lipstick brush or your fingertips. Another secret, in addition to lining your lips, is translucent powder. After you complete applying your lipstick, dap your finger in some translucent powder and blot it all over your mouth. This trick will lock that color in and keep it on for hours. With these tips, you'll be able to achieve a long-lasting lipstick look that will stay put all day long. So go ahead, rock that red. Be bold. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.